Today I am going to teach the basic concepts of trigonometry. Without right angle triangle, we cannot imagine the trigonometry. Right angle means it is an angle between the floor and wall. In triangle ABC, BC is a look like a floor and AB is a wall. Hence, this angle is 90 degrees. The opposite side of this angle is AC and we call it as hypotenuse. Simply, we write it as a HY. Theta is an unknown angle. The opposite side of this theta is AB. So we call this AB as opposite side or OS. BC side is the adjacent side for this theta. That's why we call this as an adjacent side and simply write it as a AS, adjacent side. Out of these three sides, we are taking two sides and we are taking its ratios. It is possible in three combinations. First one, opposite side by hypotenuse. Second, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by adjacent side. These three combinations we discuss. First, if you take the opposite side by hypotenuse, we named it as cos theta. Particularly in this triangle, opposite side is AB. That's why AB by AC. AC is our hypotenuse here. And the ratio of adjacent side by hypotenuse, and we call it as cos theta. To pertain this table, this triangle, BC by AC. BC is the adjacent side and AC is the hypotenuse. So we are taking here these two ratios. Next, if you take the opposite side and adjacent side, the ratio of this is tagged as tan theta. We can write it as sin theta by cos theta also, because sin theta by cos theta, sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. We can write this as opposite side by hypotenuse into reverse this fraction, then hypotenuse by adjacent side. If you cancel these two, again we are getting opposite side by adjacent side. That's why sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. If you take the reciprocals of this, means multiplicative inverse of sin theta, 1 by sin theta is equal to cosecant theta. 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta. 1 by tan theta is equal to cot theta. These are the basic things we need. If you come to the second phase, this is our previous knowledge. In any triangle, if angles are in the ratio of 30:60:90, then the opposite sides are in the ratio of 1:√3:2. This is first point. Second point, in any triangle, if the angles are in the ratio of 45:45:90, then the opposite sides are in the ratio of 1:1:√2. These are the basics. 0 by anything is equal to 0. Anything by 0 is not defined. If you know these 3 points, we can go to the table, trigonometrical standard values table. In State government syllabus 11.1, 11.2, these two exercises required these values. Here 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 and 60 and 90 degrees are there. Here trigonometrical ratios. So 6 into 5, 30 values. Among these 30 values, we are very frequently using these 18 values. To remember these 18 values, these are the simplest way of getting these values. First one, sine. Here already we learned from this. This is a triangle, 30 degrees, opposite side is 1, 60 degrees, its opposite side is root 3, hypotenuse, this is 2. Now sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So here opposite side is 1, hypotenuse is 2. So this value is 1 by 2. Similarly, cos 30. Cos 30 means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is here root 3 by 2. Tan theta, tan 30 degrees. Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is 1, adjacent side is root 3. As per our previous knowledge here, cosecant is equal to reciprocal of sine. Cosecant is nothing but reciprocal of sine theta. Reciprocal of this is 2. So cosecant 30 degrees is equal to 2. Secant is the reciprocal of cos. So simply we can write this as 2 by root 3. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. So we can reverse this and we can write this as root 3. Such a simple way we are getting these values. Similarly, here 45 degrees. Take theta anywhere you like. Theta. The opposite side is 1. Adjacent side is 1. Hypotenuse is root 2. Sine is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side 1. Hypotenuse 2. So its value sine 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos 45. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Again this is also equal to 1 by root 2. Tan opposite side by adjacent side. So 1 by 1, 1. Reciprocals of this root 2, 1. When we come to last line, last column, 60 degrees. Here if you put theta, this becomes opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse. Sine theta, opposite side by hypotenuse. So this becomes root 3 by 2. Cos 60 degrees, adjacent side by hypotenuse. So this becomes 1 by 2. Tan 60 degrees, opposite side by adjacent side. This is nothing but root 3. Take the reciprocals of this. Cosecant 60 degrees. So this becomes 2 by root 3. Secant 60, reciprocal of this. So this becomes 2. Cot, reciprocal of this one. So this becomes 1 by root 3. For these two columns, means here we had 12 values. This is 0, this is 1, 1, 0. Tan is nothing but sine by cos. So 0 by 1, 0 by anything is equal to 0. So this becomes 0. Here tan 90 degrees. Sine 90 by cos 90. So 1 by 0. 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. So this is not defined. Similarly, cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So 1 by 0. 1 by 0 again it is not defined. This one. 1 by 1 reciprocal of sine. 1 by 1 is 1. Cosecant is the reciprocal of cos. So 1 by 1, 1. Here 1 by 0 not defined. Cot. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. So 1 by 0. 1 by 0 not defined. Here. Instead of taking 1 by not defined, we will take the cos theta by sin theta here. Already we explained here how it comes. So cos theta by sin theta, cos 0, cos 90 degrees is equal to 0, sin 90 is equal to 1. So 0 by 1, 0 by 1, 0 by anything is equal to 0. So this value becomes 0. Like this, we can get the any value of this without any lapse of time. This is very useful technique for the 10th class public examination people. Already I told exercise 11.1 and 11.2, these two chapters need these values immediately. You can use this technique and get good marks. Thank you. Wish you all the best.